여기 고무딘주래시. Heaven 고무딘주. From 14 gal 고무기야도 쉽죠. 걔도 쉽죠. 치킨 랩도 전부 쓰래.
Mom will be like, you need to wear winter clothes now.
But it takes time, I think. We're gonna put it in the oven. 상한도 데라 반도 지금 스톱 치리야. 열심히 벌. 남기든 나듯이. 아주 니니 지금 뭔가 좀 안 하듯이.
아, 나 자,
谢谢。哇！蓝红色，you can saw the oh my god! And then the next one we should try is the sausage. Okay. Anyway, we need to get some drinks.
50块呢。
谢谢。뭔가 피니. How is it? Hot? 원래 이제 처음인데요. 원래 칼라티스 처음으로서 이게
It's less salty, but the
Sauce.
The sauce is nice.
yeah, it's soy sauce actually.
The soy sauce is nice.
Yeah, I'm not full yet. I shouldn't say I'm full, right? I just had one chicken. And the next thing is I think it's called pepper bun.
Pepper bun?
Oh, pepper sesame bun. Cheers.
또 다른 프레시를 먹고
Now, ngajo khachi ko suwa mara hotu nga sa degish. Ngajo khachi lago ay sausage rice chigiriya yang Taiwan ga kera shumbo rondi ngajo wait chinde ore ta dene khadui na khala shumbo khaya na wait chul Taiwan la. Ni de wait chi sai chi de. Right? Yeah. Pineapple juice ni khayo koms. Thandu ngazo sausage ka store lo de de. Watermelon juice special. Tangani gas thango shina. Chicken ngai pa nyam du sai ni ban do di sa sa na du sa di sao long pao do chi sa sa to ko chu yo ni. Tangan gas. Sausage place ya. Stol chi de chu chi sta de gam fonde. Mi inde mango. Plan change chiro chiorda. Ando tis Google la shima maguna ngani dress. Ramare. Remare. Rea. You know bingsu? Korean bingsu is same. Like ice and then top up with anything you want. This one is good. But we are full, right? Oh. What? Oh, it looks so sad. Yeah. I don't even want to look at it. Almost. 간대도. Too hot. Too hot to taste. Then why are you eating it? And you finished the rice sausage.
No, it doesn't even come out.
Oh.
It's inside.
나도 쌤이가 가시는 사이야. shumbu. Oh, 시리네 shum부도 먹.谢谢.
谢。
Stinky tofu stick. Is it stinky?
When you eat, it's just
It's not that stinky, you know?
not too bad.
Too stinky. Too bad, right? You don't regret it eating it, right? 사람들이 예쁘. 저도 심해 너무 잘 try it. It's like how many things she have? 1, 2, 3. It's jelly, sour, sweet, right? Is it cold? Cold?
What's nice?
Nice, right? Ajima on the front of this Shilling market. Frog egg juice. So good. Frog marta ya. Frog katola nam. That's our college. This building just for Chinese language college. The milk is this my favorite thing in here. This we need to. This the drink is Thank you. This Saudi Arabia almost finished with our night trip. They're closing it. Come on now, kid. There's a lot of kids there.
There's smoke everywhere here. Really, anywhere.
Open. Isn't it? Yeah, it's cute, right?
Pretty.
It's dirty with my hand. Because my hand is lots of things with your finger, right? This way, it's oily. Tanga muskat, kevsila, karsa, chili, egg tart, egg tart, Korea, it's not there in Korea, right?
I don't think so, or because I haven't been to KFC after going to Korea.
It's good. Eat.
Right?
Tama 저 레몬 주스요. So you're taking what? Jadi signon sama tu kan Okay, so thank you everyone for coming with us till now. And Sylvia say bye for today. Bye. Bye. And 汤姆的最近能 subscribe, like, and share.